Hey guys, struggling with weight loss but don't have time or energy for exercise? I've got you covered. You can still shed pounds by focusing on what you eat and a few simple lifestyle changes. In this video, I'm going to share my proven tips for losing weight exercise. These are the strategies I've used myself and with my clients to achieve incredible results. So, grab your coffee, get comfy, and let's dive in. First up, calorie deficit. It's the #1 rule of weight loss. You need to eat fewer calories than your body burns. The key here is to make smarter food choices, not necessarily eat less food. Swap out sugary cereal for a protein-packed breakfast, or ditch the soda for water. Trust me, you can enjoy delicious food and still lose weight. Let's talk about whole, unprocessed foods. Think vibrant vegetables, juicy fruits, lean meats, and wholesome grains. They're packed with nutrients, fill you up, and keep you from reaching for unhealthy snacks. Processed foods filled with artificial ingredients and hidden sugars? Kick those to the curb. Stick to real whole foods, and you'll be amazed at how much better you feel. Even the healthiest foods can sabotage your weight loss if you're overeating. That's where portion control comes in. Your plate should be half veggies, a quarter lean protein, and a quarter healthy carbs. Visualize your meals, use smaller plates, and listen to your body. Aim for satisfaction, not a food coma. The water trick. Drink a glass of water before each meal. Water helps you feel fuller, which means you're less likely to overeat. Make it a habit to stay hydrated throughout the day. Water is essential for countless bodily functions, including boosting your metabolism. Sleep your way to slimmer. Lack of sleep can mess with your weight loss efforts. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night. It's about giving your body the time it needs to repair, recharge, and regulate hunger hormones. Don't let stress sabotage you. Stress releases cortisol, a hormone that can increase your appetite and lead to weight gain. Combat stress-induced eating with meditation, deep breathing, or spending time in nature. Taking care of your mental health is crucial for weight loss. Become a mindful eater. Slow down and practice mindful eating. Pay attention to each bite, savor the flavors, and chew your food thoroughly. This simple shift can prevent overeating and promote a healthier relationship with food. Ditch the sugary drinks. Soda, sweetened coffee, fruit juices. They're loaded with empty calories. Stick to water, unsweetened tea, or black coffee. You'll cut out unnecessary calories and improve your overall health. Simple, actionable tips to help you lose weight without breaking a sweat. Sustainable weight loss is a marathon, not a sprint. Focus on gradual changes, be patient, and celebrate small victories. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Let me know in the comments which tip you're going to try first. See you next time.